Alrighty, I got my Christmas and birthday present. It finally arrived. So, sayang, we had a year-end ride in the San Jose area, and we weren't able to use this. So, what do you think it is? Well, last time we went to Santa Ynez as a family and camped, we broke my camera. Basically, it's waterproof. It was a GoPro 8, and we put it underwater, and we forgot that the cover of the battery came off. Wonder how it came off. But anyways, it got submerged, and then had it repaired, and that cost a lot. It's like $8,000 to repair. And then recently, we took a trip to Boracay, and then in Boracay, I didn't realize and I forgot to mention, but it seems like the GoPro wasn't waterproof anymore after the repair. So it broke and conked out. So now, finally, I got this. Da, 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 da. This was Paul's birthday and Christmas present. And look what I got. It started off first with the lanyard. Do you have an idea what it is? Ha 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 ha. There it is. And let's see what else it has. Okay, it was boxed pretty well. Had good insulation, regular box. And then now, there it is. And then they got the official GoPro stickers. So this official GoPro sticker came from GoPro. So let's see what GoPro she got. Is it the GoPro 8 again? Or is it not? It's just a cheaper version, it's just a box.
Just a box.
Hey, look at that. GoPro 11! Yay! Check it out. This is really cool. It comes with a nice container. Before, we had to make a makeshift container of my glasses. And how do you open this? Nice fancy way to open it. Just rip it. Okay, so what we got here is the Hero 11 Black. We were doing some reviews and we were checking it out. And at first we were looking at the 9 for a replacement, and there's bad reviews with that. Then it's basically the same thing as the 8. It just has that little screen, LED screen up front so you can see. But nothing different from stabilization or pixels or anything. GoPro 10 was the next choice. And we were like, whoa, we were kind of blown away with the upgrade from it from GoPro 8 to 9 to the 10. But then we were doing a little research and we noticed that the 11 wasn't that much more expensive. I mean, you're already spending a buttload of money, so might as well maximize it and get it with a better specs. But look at this. Comes with a nice container, so it's nice and safe. It looks like a little semi-shockproof. So that's it. Oh yeah. So what we show you first would be the manual. They got me the stickers, manuals inside, tips on what to do and what not. Then if you have any questions on how to navigate it or this and that with all the new features that it has. Okay, let's take it out here. So that's a pretty cool container. Has a little net for your things on the sides. So GoPro, it comes with, of course, the C charger. They come with mountings. That's cool. And comes with an extra battery, which is nice. I think it's an extra battery. And this is the new battery where it's like ultra supercharged. I don't know, the battery's on Coke or something. Lasts forever. And let's show you the GoPro! There it is. The back part. Oh yeah. It's the GoPro 11. It's a little thicker. Compare it with the other one. Let's see how this thing works. Oh, it doesn't come with an extra battery. They fooled us. They said there was an extra battery. There's one. That's alright. So it looks pretty good. Check it out. So I will be making better videos with better quality. So please subscribe and like so you can watch and support me and provide you more footage of camping, biking, and whatever else. I'm your son. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.